In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PagePilot to Shopify and walk you through the PagePilot tutorial. This process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes to complete. So let's dive right in. First, you want to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look at the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a menu panel. This is your command center for navigating through various sections of your online store. What we're focused on right now is the Apps section. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section will give you access to the Shopify App Store, as well as show you the apps you've already installed on your store. Now, in the search bar, located at the top or the right side of the page, you'll need to type PagePilot. This will bring up the PagePilot application that you want to connect to your Shopify store. Make sure you're selecting the correct app and then click on it when you see it in the results list. Clicking on it will take you to the app's dedicated page where you can get more information about PagePilot and its features. Next, on the PagePilot app page, you will find an Install button. This is where you initiate the connection between PagePilot and your Shopify store. By clicking in Install, you give the app permission to integrate with your Shopify store, which is essential for everything to work smoothly. Don't worry, this is a secure process, and your data will remain protected. Once you've clicked Install, the installation process will begin. This can take a few minutes, so be patient as it completes the setup. After installation, you will immediately undergo a setup process within PagePilot. This setup is typically user-friendly and guides you step by step through the configuration process so that you can tailor the app to best fit your store's needs. Follow the prompts and don't hesitate to read through any instructions or tips that pop up during this process. They're designed to help you utilize the app efficiently and effectively, and that's all there is to it. With these steps completed, PagePilot should now be successfully connected and ready for you to use on your Shopify store. This integration will allow you to take advantage of the features that PagePilot offers, which can streamline your store operations and management. If you have any questions or run into any issues, remember you can always refer to Shopify's support or the tutorial resources provided by PagePilot itself. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this tool useful in enhancing your store's capabilities.